I've experienced a cat overpopulation problem at Orr, mainly just, well, there are actually a lot of ways. One way is we get a lot of calls from people who found kittens or found cats, and they're trying to find a place for them. And we have a nice building, but we just don't have enough room for them. I also I do trapping, trap, neuter, return, and I work at Xavier University, and there are stray cats on campus, and I've done a lot of work there with them. So to me, the biggest solution is to just spay or neuter every cat that comes across your path, because if every female cat has a litter before she's fixed, assuming we can fix them all, then her kittens also are possibilities for having kittens, and it just goes on. And so spay neuter is a big part of the answer.